And here this is our raw living lasagna, and it's a seaweed lasagna that I made. Um, this is actually dehydrated corn and good stuff together with the corn and some spices put in that. And there's one piece of this underneath, which makes it a lasagna sheet. So underneath is this seaweeds. It's wakame. It's one kind of seaweed that you buy dried. You soak it in water, and that's what happens. And then I put some basic vinaigrette and chopped ginger. I will upload the recipes for this later on and put it on top of the video. Okay, so you'll know how I made this. And on top of that wakame is actually the arugula salad. I'll also put that up, the recipe for that. That's very basic vinaigrette with arugula. And up here is actually chopped tomatoes with the basic vinaigrette plus chopped ginger. So it's really easy to make. And this is actually a mashed up avocado with a little bit of lime juice. And to make it interesting, I put this persimmon slice